Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your Instagram wrapped. So if you want to you want to see your Instagram wrap, you can just use a third-party app. For example, there is an app called Wrap for Instagram in the Google Play Store or App Store. But when you are doing that, you need to log in and you need to enter your password, and everything in your data will be so the developer of that app can have access to your Instagram data. So I don't suggest you to use the third-party app. So if you want to just see for example, the summary of your Instagram post, followers following in the last certain time. For example, you want to see who likes your video, who comment on your video or your activity. You can just follow this step. First, you can go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top left right corner, and then here you can tap on your activity. So because the in this your activity option, you can manage your activity, so you can see your Instagram wrap in here. You can see your interactions including likes. In here you can also adjust the time and the content types in here. So I suggest you to just use using this to see your Instagram wrap. And here you can also see the comments that you made on a certain post. In here you can see there are lots of it's stored in here, the notes that you made or the tags that you made, the tag or pending tags in here. You can see all of them. Here you can also see your sticker is even the sticker response is the one that you are sent to a certain to your following Instagram story, your friends Instagram story. There's also review and the recently deleted content and the content that you archive. Here you can also see the content you shared, the post, Instagram posts, Instagram reels and highlights. And here you can also see how much time you spend on Instagram. Okay, you can see in here the time that you made on Instagram or online on Instagram. So you can also see your account history. So I think this pretty much accurate. And if you want to download the information on transfer, you can just do this. For example, you want to transfer your information into your Google Drive or Dropbox. Here you can just follow this step. You can choose the destination between Google Photos, Dropbox, Culver, Photobucket or Bake Blast. So you can just use it in here to find your Instagram wrap. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.